Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless nail guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Fittisp 18-gauge 2-in-1 cordless nail gun / stapler. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $89.59. Despite its lower price, it offers solid performance for DIY enthusiasts and light-duty carpentry projects. Powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, this nail gun can fire 1,500 to 2,000 nails on a single charge, making it perfect for smaller projects like interior decoration, pet house assembly, or woodworking. One of its standout features is the lightweight design, weighing just 3.9 pounds, without the battery, allowing for single-handed use and reducing fatigue during longer sessions. It also includes a safety contact mechanism to prevent accidental firing, which is a nice touch for beginner users. However, its penetration depth may struggle with harder materials, and the magazine tends to jam when nails run low, requiring frequent checks. Overall, the Fittisp nail gun is ideal for casual users looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly tool. Its lightweight build, decent battery life, and included accessories make it a great entry-level choice. Just keep in mind its limitations when tackling tougher materials or larger-scale projects. Coming in at number 4 is the Alloy Power 18-gauge nail gun battery-powered 2-in-1 brad nailer / electric stapler. Priced at $99.99, this tool offers excellent versatility for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. Its 2-in-1 design supports 18 GA brad nails ranging from 5/8 to 1 1/4 inch and crown staples ranging from 5/8 to 1 inch, making it suitable for woodworking, interior decor, and trim work. The Alloy Power brad nailer impresses with its adjustable depth control, allowing users to tailor nail penetration for different materials, from soft gypsum board to hardwood. Its large-capacity battery fires up to 2,000 nails per charge, ensuring efficiency during extended projects. Safety features include a nose pin that prevents accidental firing and an LED light for precision in low-light conditions. However, the unit weighs 7.39 pounds, which might feel a bit heavy during prolonged use. If you're looking for a cordless nail gun that balances versatility and affordability, the Alloy Power 18-gauge nail gun is a great pick. It's perfect for DIYers who need reliable performance for a variety of home improvement tasks, but the heavier build might be a consideration for those prioritizing portability. At number 3, we have the Craftsman V20 brad nailer, a trusted name in the world of tools. This model is priced at $99, making it a solid mid-tier option for those who value reliability and performance. Its powerful motor drives up to 420 nails per charge, ensuring steady performance during medium-scale projects. However, keep in mind that the battery and charger are sold separately, which may increase the overall cost. This nail gun is fully cordless, eliminating the need for compressors or hoses, and it performs well in various climate conditions and materials. A tool-free jam release system simplifies the user experience, while its lightweight design ensures comfort during extended use. The optimal center of gravity reduces hand fatigue, making it a great choice for precision tasks like installing trim or baseboards. The Craftsman V20 brad nailer is ideal for homeowners and professionals handling moderate carpentry projects. It delivers excellent power and usability, but the missing battery and charger could be a drawback for those seeking a complete kit. Overall, it's a dependable tool from a reputable brand that won't disappoint. Taking the number 2 spot, the CamX Tool cordless brad nailer is a powerhouse option priced at $115.99. It comes with two 4.0 amp-hour batteries and a fast charger, offering extended runtime and excellent flexibility for users tackling large projects. This 2-in-1 nail staple gun supports straight nails and staples, making it ideal for framing, furniture assembly, and upholstery. What sets this model apart is its dual firing modes: single firing for precision and sequential firing for rapid, continuous nailing. The safety nose pin prevents accidental firing, ensuring a secure experience for both professional and DIY users. The included 1,600 nails and staples add fantastic value, so you can get started right away. However, at 9.3 pounds, it's the heaviest option on this list, which may be a drawback for prolonged use. The CamX Tool cordless brad nailer is perfect for users who need reliability and versatility for high-volume tasks. With its extended battery life, firing modes, and comprehensive kit, it's a top-tier tool for anyone looking to maximize efficiency. Its weight may be a consideration, but the performance more than makes up for it. Finally, at number 1, we have the Works Nitro 20V 18GA cordless brad nailer, the premium option on our list. Priced at $150.67. This model is packed with advanced features that make it the ultimate choice for professionals and serious DIYers. The Nail Force air impact technology drives brad nails up to 2 inches into hardwood, making it perfect for demanding applications like panel molding, window trim, and baseboards. Rapid firing capability of up to 80 nails per minute ensures efficiency, while the tool-free jam release and dry fire lockout keep the workflow uninterrupted. The PowerShare battery system is a major plus, allowing you to use the same battery with over 140 Works tools. Enhanced comfort and control come from the micro-textured rubber grip, making it suitable for extended use. The Works Nitro is the best choice for users who demand top-tier performance and versatility. Its precision, speed, and thoughtful design make it a standout in the cordless nail gun category. While it's the most expensive option, its unmatched features and reliability justify the investment for anyone serious about their craft. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.